How to trade futures on TradingView. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser and then move into the site TradingView. Enter your login credential and then sign in to your specific account. Once you have signed in, it will land you on this interface. Now what you want to do is click on Trading panel at the bottom. You have to select your broker and log in into your broker account. Tons of different brokers will be available to you. But what you want to do is select the Iron Beam. Well, Iron Beam is partnered with TradingView to offer an advanced financial visualization platform with a versatile array of powerful TradingView web, desktop, and mobile platforms. To get started, simply click on the bottom below and open an Iron Beam future account. You have to enter your Iron Beam credentials. First of all, you need to enter COG-powered username and then enter the password of your account. If you don't want them to remember your credentials, then click on this checkbox Don't Remember Me. After that, click on Connect and then you can start your trading. So that's it, and this is simply how you can trade futures on trading. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you, and thank you for watching it till the end.